Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you that how can you import uh, a number of contacts from your PC to Android phone or any phone that you have, like a Apple iPhone or something that. So for that, first let's say we want to create 100 of contacts, and it is very difficult to create 100 of contacts using your Android keypad. So the trick is that you first need to go to your Gmail account, and so this is my Gmail account. Then go to this Google Apps. Over here, go to this contacts. So if you click on this contacts, it will open the Google Contact tab, and let's wait for that. Okay, so now these are some contacts that I have saved in my Google account. So let's say you want to save let's say 10 account or 100 accounts, new accounts, to your phone. So as I said that it is very difficult to save those accounts into your phone directly by using your manual Android keypad. So try to make a contacts into this into your Google account. So click on this create contact. You can also create multiple contacts. So you can just add the name and then create a multiple contact file, but we want to create individually. So click on this create a contact, and then give the name of the person. So I'm giving ABC1, phone number, whatever phone number you have, and then click on the save. So it has created a new contact into my Google account, ABC1. Now let's create a couple of contact more, ABC2, and then save that. So I have created 2 contacts. Let's create one more, ABC3, give a phone number, then save that. So if you have a large number of contacts that you want to create, you can just use your PC to create the contact files very easily. Now as you can see, I have connected my phone to my PC, and if I go over here in my phone to contacts, you can see that I have ABC1, ABC2 that has been come because I have connected, like I have linked my Google account with my Android phone. So now what you can do, if you can also try to make this, and you can just link that. But if you haven't linked your Google account with the phone contact, what you can do, click on these 3 files, then click on more actions, click on export. Now it says that I want to export these 3 contacts, or you want to export all the contacts, but we have to export only these 3 newly made contacts. So click on this export as, click on this vcard file, and then click on export. So as you can see, it has downloaded a file which is named by contacts.vcf. so it is a vcard file. Now I want to copy this file to my phone. So you can connect your phone directly by USB cable, or I have linked my phone through your phone software. So what I will do, I will just copy this, drag and drop this to my PC. So let's click on this. So I have downloaded that vcard file, drag this to my phone to the download, and it has transferred that file to my PC. Or so I have linked my phone to my Windows. If you don't have any software that can link your phone to the Windows, try to connect your phone using USB cable. So now I have downloaded that vcard file. I will click on this. So as you can see, this is the file that I have just downloaded. You can just see that it is 9:56 p.m. so that's a new file. Click on this, and if you click on this, you can see that you can import the contacts. that you have made. So ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, click on save, and then click on phone because you want to save to the phone, or if you want to save as your Gmail account, you can click on that also, but you want to save as on the phone, and then click on just once. So it has saved that contact to my phone. So that's way you can create a large number of contact in your Gmail account using your Gmail account, and that can be transferred to your phone. So I hope this video will be helpful. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Viceman, thank you.